I care about my health. I care about my health. Health is important. Health is important. I wake up early. I wake up early. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. Stretching feels good. Stretching feels good. I drink water. I drink water. Water keeps me healthy. Water keeps me healthy. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. Fruits are healthy. Fruits are healthy. Vegetables are healthy. Vegetables are healthy. I eat fresh food. I eat fresh food. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. Junk food is unhealthy. Junk food is unhealthy. I walk every day. I walk every day. Walking is good exercise. Walking is good exercise. I run in the park. I run in the park. Running makes me strong. Running makes me strong. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. Exercise helps my body. Exercise helps my body. I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. Fresh air feels good. Fresh air feels good. I feel energetic. I feel energetic. My body feels strong. My body feels strong. I take a shower. I take a shower. Clean habits matter. Clean habits matter. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I keep my body clean. I keep my body clean. Hygiene is important. Hygiene is important. I sleep on time. I sleep on time. Good sleep helps me. Good sleep helps me. I rest when I am tired. I rest when I am tired. Rest gives energy. Rest gives energy. I listen to my body. I listen to my body. I stay calm. I stay calm. I relax my mind. I relax my mind. Stress is not good. Stress is not good. I stay positive. I stay positive. Positive thoughts help me. Positive thoughts help me. I smile often. I smile often. Smiling feels nice. Smiling feels nice. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Happiness is healthy. Happiness is healthy. I help my body. I help my body. I respect my health. I respect my health. My head feels fine. My head feels fine. My eyes are healthy. My eyes are healthy. My arms are strong. My arms are strong. My legs feel active. My legs feel active. My heart is strong. My heart is strong. I breathe slowly. I breathe slowly. Calm breathing helps me. Calm breathing helps me. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I move my body. I move my body. Movement is healthy. Movement is healthy. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. Hydration is important. Hydration is important. I eat on time. I eat on time. Regular meals help me. Regular meals help me. I avoid too much sugar. I avoid too much sugar. I avoid too much salt. I avoid too much salt. Balance is important. Balance is important. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. Self-care matters. Self-care matters. I go outside. I go outside. Sunlight feels warm. Sunlight feels warm. Nature relaxes me. Nature relaxes me. Fresh air helps me breathe. Fresh air helps me breathe. I enjoy healthy habits. I enjoy healthy habits. Healthy habits build strength. Healthy habits build strength. I stay active. I stay active. Activity keeps me fit. Activity keeps me fit. I feel strong today. I feel strong today. I feel balanced. I feel balanced. I care for my mind. I care for my mind. I care for my body. I care for my body. Good health feels good. Good health feels good. I thank my body. I thank my body. My body supports me. My body supports me. I appreciate my health. I appreciate my health. Healthy living is important. Healthy living is important. I choose healthy habits. I choose healthy habits. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. Daily habits help me. Daily habits help me. I stay disciplined. I stay disciplined. Discipline builds strength. Discipline builds strength. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. Motivation helps progress. Motivation helps progress. I keep improving daily. I keep improving daily. Learning English helps me. Learning English helps me. Practice improves my English. Practice improves my English. I speak English more. I speak English more. Confidence grows daily. Confidence grows daily. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Thank you for learning today. Thank you for learning today. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Learning takes time. Learning takes time. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and stay healthy. Goodbye and stay healthy.